Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you want to see how I got this look, make sure to stay tuned. Okay, to start off today's look, we are already primed with Fenty Beauty eyeshadow primer. To go in the inner corner, we're going to start off with my Juvia's Place Warrior palette into this super light shade here. All right, now I'm going to go into this shade here and start blending this out. All right, now I'll be going into this Patricia Bright palette into this blue here. And this is the Luxie 231, and I'm going to be packing this on the outside of the lid. Now I'll be going into the BH Cosmetic Take Me Back to Brazil palette into this deep blue here and deepening this. I'm now gonna go into this black and just deepen it a little more. I want it to be like a midnight blue. Okay, now I'm going to go into this is the Color Story Bright Blues palette, into this shimmery blue here and put it on top of this. This is the Luxie 239. Now that we have all of our colors down that we want, I'm going to go back into that original Juvia's Place palette and I'm going to blend out the edges with this brown color. Excuse me, this brown color here. now that my shadow is done, I'm gonna go do my face and be right back. Okay, but like, points were made. Okay, so like we do for all of our looks, we're going into this black pencil in our waterline. This is the Wet n Wild eyeliner. Don't know if it's gel or whatever. It's a pencil. All right, for the bottom lash line, I'm going into the Morphe MB16 back into Patricia's palette into this dark blue here. Now I'm gonna go put on lashes, mascara, and get dressed, and I'll be right back. All right, and I put on the lashes that I never remember the name of. I'm sorry. They're tapered towards the inner corner and they flower towards the end, so anything like that. My lip is Spice by MAC. Oh wait, no, I did a liquid too. Okay, my lip is Liquid Lipstick by MAC in Lady Be Good in the center. Then I did Spice by MAC on, it's a lip gloss on top of that, and then on top of that I took Hot Chocolate Gloss Bomb. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Bronze for the first time ever, and I'm obsessed with it. I overdid it a little bit. My contour's a little muddy, you know, it's gonna ignore that. But yeah, I hope everyone has a good and safe New Year's Eve. Definitely stay quarantined, but you can still get dressed up from the house in quarantine. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel.